banking mail and this banking update. So right now, guys, this is on the CATLY. Still their pre-sale is still going on. Let me see how many this thing they have sold so far. So they have sold about 30.78% so far, and they are going to 70%. So guys, there are still time for you to purchase if you want to still invest on CATLY. So right now, guys, you can see that I have about this is my staking. And if you look up here, you will see that I have about 20 something thousand here, which 10,000 plus is on staking, and I have about 10,000 available CATLY token here, which I can withdraw. You can see this is not my first withdrawal on this CATLY. You can check my history here. You will see that I withdraw sometime. I withdraw many times. 1, 2. Let it continue low. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So at 9. So I think I have withdrawn 9 times now since I joined this CATLY. So right now, guys, I want to make another withdrawal of 10,000 CATLY token. So let me make the withdrawal right now, and I'm going to withdraw it. I'm withdrawing to my Binance, remember that. So 10,000 CATLY, which is $33. This is the amount. $33. That is the amount. So right now, click on sell. So after I click on sell, it will sell it for me. So as you can see, withdraw sold out. It was already right success. It's not even right pending. So let me go to my Binance and check. Maybe I have received the money. So you can see it, guys, 44 seconds. You can see it for the first 44 seconds. So let's see, maybe it's, so as you can see, $33.33. So that is the amount I have received it already. So guys, as you can see, it has add up to my money. My money is now $117. You can see it now. So guys, if you are still interested in CATLY token, try them out and start making money on CATLY. Start making money. If you want to know more about this CATLY, you can check the description of this video, register, and you will still see a link to my former video on CATLY. So guys, thank you for watching. Goodbye for now.